Hey y'all, welcome to Sab's Glam Beauty. For the first time, I'm showing my face on here, even though I haven't been doing. I just chose today to come on here and just chit chat with you a little bit, okay? But today I am making some whipped body butter that I love so much, and I thought I could share that with y'all. So yes, the first oil that we will be using today, we got 3 carrier oil, and we will be using this organic sunflower oil, the organic coconut oil, and some avocado oil. Okay, I love avocado oil, and I will be using some vitamin E oil, vitamin E oil in all of my cosmetics or beauty product. Is a must. But anywho, as you can see right here, I have my bowl that I'm going to be putting all of my butter in first, and then we'll take it from there. So behind me, I have my pot and water. I'm going to be doing the double boiler method today, so that's why I'm boiling the water first, and then when it gets hot, I'm going to put my bowl of butter over it, and in that way it's going to melt. But I will not be putting any of my carrier oil in it yet until I melt off all my butters, okay? I just want to keep all the nutrients from all the carrier oils, okay? I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna start off with some mango butter. I'm not making a huge batch, just a little bit. So, okay. All right. Okay, not much. So these are all of my butters that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to put it over the hot pot. So it's all melted. Now I'm going to be adding my carrier oil in it. Okay, that much. For the avocado, I think I'm gonna use the same amount, like the avocado and the sunflower oil. I'm gonna be using the same amount. And then for the coconut, 1 teaspoon. It's gonna melt in here, don't worry. The oil is already hot, so. All right. So after this coconut oil melts, I will be popping this in the freezer for like 20-30 minutes. So yeah, you guys, I'm getting comfortable with the camera again, so I guess you will be seeing me a little bit more on camera, just a sneak peek. It's not gonna be, I don't know what the future holds for this channel, so let me not say anything that will contradict me. So we are back. As you can see, the butter have solidified. Ooh, that's nice. It burst out. So yes. Oh God, always saying yes for everything in my video. Ooh, it got so hard. Oh my God. Yep, this is how it looks. I love the color. I really do. I really do love the color. So I'm gonna be using my hand mixer. I'm gonna be using some arrowroot powder. still need to put a little bit more over there. Oh, you guys, looky. Don't this look delicious? Okay. I'm gonna be it looks so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I'm so happy. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.